Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool umbrella here, and basically what this is a squat machine that also give you guys something else that's on here in terms of the curl option, which I'll show you guys in a second. If you guys can see, for the one that we got right here is a brand called Niceday, and right here is basically what the package looks like when you guys do get it. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the product looks like. So you can see when you guys first get the product, everything is all well protected, but let's take everything out. So once you guys take everything out, this is everything that's included inside. So there's definitely a lot of different wrappers on here, but let's take it all out. Once you guys take everything out, this is what the product looks like. So they basically provide guys all different parts on here. They provide guys the tools, and they provide guys the battery, and also user manual to teach you guys how to set it up. So the first thing you guys want to do is to open up the actual product right here first. And be careful when you guys do it, try not to hurt yourself. Slowly take your time to do everything on here. So I'm gonna pull this part out. So just like that, you guys want to bring this part up. And you guys want to get the pin out and put it inside right here. If you guys take it out, you guys will raise this up and turn it to fit it into this part right here. So once you guys put the pin inside right here, you guys want to close it up. Once you guys finish that part, what you're going to do next is to get the next screw right here, which is this one right here. And what you're going to do is bring this part right here to this part to screw it in. So the way how you guys do that is by bringing it forward like this and just push it in. Once you guys got it in, you guys screw this part in. It should only fit one way. And screw it on. Feel free to use a tool to make it tighter. Alright, so that should be good. Once you guys finish that step, what you guys going to do is to put the feet on the bottom. So the one that has the strap should go in the back. And you guys want to use a screw that has 4 of them, 2 in the front and 2 in the back, which are these right here in the corner. So you're going to take it out and take out the washer as well. It'll probably be easier if you guys do tilt it, so that way you see the process when I do screw it on. So when you guys put on the feet option, you basically want to put in a screw like this. And you guys want to put this side right here in front. So pretty much the side that has a strap, you guys want to put in the front, and the other one you guys want to put in the back. So you guys do put it in, let's screw it on. Same thing for the other one. And now you can use the tool to actually tighten up. Same thing for the other one. Now do the same thing for our side. And when you guys screw this part in, you guys will make sure the square is facing towards you. And now let's tighten it up. Alright, so once you guys finish that, you guys want to flip it back to the other side. And what you guys want to do now is put the handle part right here in front like this. And you guys want to get this little nut part right here to actually tighten up, depending on where you guys want to set it up. So let's say, for example, we keep it right here. Alright, once you guys done that part, let's move to the next step. So the next step after that is for you guys to set up the handle part right here. And then for this part, you guys want to use the remainder 2 screws to screw it on. And when you guys screw it on, you guys want to do the same thing for the feet option. You guys want to unscrew it and put in the washer first. So just like this. Put in the screw. So once you guys got it on, you guys put in the washer and then screw. To screw it on to tighten up and hold it in place. Same thing for the other one. And now you can use the tool to actually tighten up. And for this part right here, you guys need to use both of the tools, this one and this one. So one to hold it and one to turn it. Once you guys are done that part, you guys can put the battery inside in the back part of the computer right here. So they do provide guys one of the AA battery that's been put inside. Once you guys put it inside, you're gonna close that up. And then right here is basically what the screen looks like on the device. So if you guys press on this button, that allows you guys to change the different modes on here for time, calories, total, and etc. And if you guys press and hold it, that is basically how you guys reset it. So very easy and very simple. So once you guys finish setting that part up, all you need to do is just slide this in, because they do have a part for you guys to slide it into the back. So just like that. Next thing I want to do is set the pedal into the front part right here or the bottom. And on the pedal it does label R or L, so that way you know which side is which. So this side is right and that side is L. So what you're going to do is put this inside right here and turn it. And if you guys need to tighten up, feel free to use a tool. Alright, so that's good. Let's do the same thing for our side. Once you guys finish setting that part up, the last thing for you guys to do is to put this part on the bottom, one at each end. And all you need to do is just twist it to unlock it and twist it to lock it. So lock it in. Alright, same thing for this side. So once you guys got that part on, then you guys are basically all done. So if you guys wrap this part inside right here, and this one as well. So once you guys fully set up the product, this is what it actually looks like. So the way how you use it is actually very easy and very simple. All you need to do is sit down on here. And I do want to mention for the seat, you do have the option to bring it forward or backward by unscrewing the knob in the bottom if you guys do need to. Bottom part right here, we do have the resistance option for you guys to increase or lower the resistance. Right now it's on 1, but the max is 16. Right here we do have the hand option for you guys to bring it forward and backward. And here we do have the step. So I'm actually doing a quick test to show you guys how the product works and how the product feels like when you guys do use it. So once you guys sit down, you guys can put your feet on here and hold the handle part right here. So just like this. So once you guys are ready to use it, what you do is go like this. And basically what this does is basically a squatting machine to help you guys squat when you guys use it. So even just by doing a few rounds just now, I can then feel a little bit of the burn already on my legs right here. So like I mentioned, if you guys want to increase the resistance on here, feel free to do so. So once you guys are done, you guys can slowly come off. So that is basically one way for you guys to use it. Another way for you guys to use it is for this part right here. If you guys take it out, if you guys want to use it as a curl machine, feel free to do so. So really cool how to give you guys the option to use like this if you guys want to. Or when you guys are actually using the product, if you guys want to use like this as well, feel free to do so. And obviously since it does give you guys a curl option, another workout for you to do is go like this. That could basically be another workout for you guys. But once you guys are done, you can put it back right here. And that way everything is all organized and ready for you to use again next time. And if you guys are curious about the weight capacity that's on here, they mentioned the weight capacity that's on here is 220 pounds. So as long as you guys are under that weight limit, then you should be fine. So you can see very easy and very simple for us to use it. Now let me show you guys how to fold it back up because the actual product itself is foldable. What you're gonna do is take out this part right here. Same thing for our side. Once you guys do that, you basically want to just raise it up. So just like that. Once you guys fold it back up, you have to put it on one side. So that way you can save a lot of space when you guys are not using it. And if you guys are worried about it falling down or something, just feel free to just put it down on the ground as well. So just like this. That could be another way for you to put it away if you guys want to put it underneath like a bed or something. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it on. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality squatting machine, then use for squatting and working on your legs, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, obviously don't buy one and save them on something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.